Today when I came here to record my video, a lot of things happened. As you can see, one lady, she is coming towards me. So before few minutes she went in garden and she passed one comment. There were many people, they went and they were saying different things, because after a long time they are watching me here to record my video. But no problem, even I should continue, I think. Yeah, so I got a lot of comments from the people. They were saying to me that make video on this topic. The topic is I can understand English but I can't speak. So if you have this problem, so my friend, you are a beginner, so this video is helpful for beginner only. If you are an intermediate level or an advanced speaker, so it will not help you. So this video is only and only for beginner. My friend, initially you may have not been able to understand English, right? आप जब इंग्लिश सुनना शुरू किए होंगे तो आपको सारी चीज़ें समझ में नहीं आ रही होंगी, राइट? बट नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड. अभी आपको चीज़ें समझ में आ रही हैं. वाई? बिकॉज यू केप्ट लिसनिंग. वाई? बिकॉज यू केप्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग ऑन लिसनिंग, राइट? नाउ यू हैव कम टू नो दैट यू आर अनेबल टू स्पीक. अभी आपको समझ में आ गया है कि आप इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पा रहे हैं, बट आप इंग्लिश को समझ पा रहे हैं. देन प्रॉब्लम इज सॉल्व्ड. Now you know about your problem and you should start working on it. My friend, when you are unable to understand English, at the time you kept listening, and that is why today you can understand whenever you watch any video, when someone speaks with you, right? But you are unable to speak because you have never ever tried. So now it's high time, or today it's high time, or maybe tomorrow you can start, right? But tomorrow never comes. That is why I'm saying today. So if you are a beginner, then start from today onwards. Start speaking this language and then you will become a fluent English speaker. That is so simple. No. Easier said than done. It's not so simple to become a fluent English speaker. It takes years and years, But if you try, so within few months you will start speaking this language. But coming to getting some good level, just like intermediate level, advanced level, it may take time. But in few months, if you start from today onwards, maybe in the end of this year, you will start speaking this language as a beginner, not as a intermediate or as a advanced. I can't guarantee you, because it depends on your hard work. But no matter how hard work you are going to put, or no matter how much effort you are going to put in this language, within 2 months you can't get advanced level. Within 2 months you can't get an intermediate level, okay? So, but one thing I can guarantee you, that you will start speaking this language. So my friend, if you are a beginner, then start speaking. So the problem here is, with whom should we start speaking? With whom should we speak, right? My friend, let me tell you, simply go on Play Store and download some speaking app, just like CV. There are a lot of apps available on Play Store. Simply go and download them. If you search on Google or on YouTube, you will find a lot of apps, English speaking apps, and use them. Talk to people, because now you have problem in speaking. So work on that one, right? Earlier you had problem in understanding, but thank God that you started understanding. Now you should start speaking. And once you start speaking, once you start putting effort on your speaking, you will start speaking also. Maybe in 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, who knows? It depends on your hard work. Plus, it takes time also to speak any language. We can understand any language, right? It also takes time. But what takes time? That is speaking, because we need to engage our mind, our lips, tongues, nose, everything to speak any language with clarity and with perfection, right? So I would say that don't care about perfection initially, just start speaking if you are a beginner. Why I'm speaking little faster? Because it is getting late. This is evening time, and if I don't hurry, then it will get dark. And as you can see, I am standing in my garden. This is isolated place, but I am not getting any kind of fear because it's my garden, you know. My home is very near to this garden. That is why I don't have any fear at all. But I have only one fear, that sun may set and I won't be able to record my video. That is why I'm speaking little fast way. So my friend, if you are unable to speak, so you got to do one work, that is start speaking. The more you speak, the better you become, right? So that is why start speaking. And initially don't care about your mistakes. Many people, they get worried that how can I speak this language because I make a lot of mistakes. Don't care. You may have watched children. How do they learn this language or any other languages? Simply they speak, right? They don't care whether they are making mistakes or anything, right? They don't get shy. They don't care about society or any people or their friend, and that is why they learn things fast way. It could be learning any languages or anything. So we need to be, or we need to become just like child if we want to learn English language. Birds, they are chirping. And one more thing also, I'm so sorry my friend, because insects, they are creating noise. I'm here, as you can see, both sides. One side here, people, they have kept cow dung, and this side also they have kept cow dung, okay? And I'm standing in between because here one narrow road is there. So I have to make my video. I found that this place is good, and that is why I stood here and I started recording my video. As you can see, the environment is so beautiful, so good. I'm enjoying while making my video also. There is no worry. There is only one problem, that is sun may set. So I have to record my video as soon as possible, and after recording I'm going to edit and then post. It may take few hours maybe. अगर आपको इंग्लिश समझ में आता है, that is a good news. Let me tell you one thing. There are a lot of people, they can't even understand also, you know. So you are few steps ahead than them, because they need to work very hard to understand this language. Then they will work hard to speak this language. But in your case, you have already crossed one step, that is understanding. That is also so challenging, because when I was a beginner, I wasn't able to understand. So I did hard work, I started understanding, and now also I do hard work so that I can speak this language with fluency. So in your case also, my friends, if you can understand, then be grateful and be ready to work hard towards speaking. If you work hard, if you listen and read and watch video and try to speak more and more, then you will speak this language fluently and effortlessly. Now I'm going to wrap up my video because someone is coming towards me. So I hope my video is helpful for you. If it is, then like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.